Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp not downloading anything or download failed on WhatsApp. So guys, as you can see here, when I am going to download anything on my WhatsApp, facing this issue again and again that not downloading anything. So guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then guys, you need to connect with Wi-Fi. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, if you are using mobile data, then guys, you need to turn on your mobile data on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, the second method is maybe this is network problem. So guys, simply you need to click on a reset network settings. So guys, simply you need to do your network settings on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, third step is you need to check VPN connection. So guys, if you have connected any VPN, then guys, you need to disconnect your VPN from your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, after doing this, your problems will be fixed that you're facing on your iPhone in WhatsApp. So guys, now you can see here I am able to download anything on my WhatsApp account, as you can see. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to update your WhatsApp from App Store. So guys, here you need to search your WhatsApp, and guys, you will be able to update your WhatsApp from here, as you can see. So guys, after updating, if still not fix your problem, then guys, you need to delete your WhatsApp in your iPhone. And guys, after deleting your app, you need to reinstall again. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.